Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the new eufy 4K wire-free solar-powered security camera.
Wow, that's a lot of words.
I think I left out, did I leave out the 4K? Anyway, it's also
It's also
4K.
4K, so that's
Really
pretty
nice,
cool.
clear picture.
And Eufy sent us this for the review.
So here we've got everything you need. Here's the cameras. They've got a built-in solar panel. That's super cool. And you need to charge them first to get them going. But after that, you shouldn't need to charge them at all, even with minimal sunlight.
Yeah, what do they say? 2 hours or something?
It says about 2 hours of direct sunlight will provide unlimited power. And that battery will last almost a year, 365 days. Or I guess that is a year.
Well, I guess that's a year. That would mathematically work out correct. So what else do we have in here? So we have two cameras. So they give it two in this particular kit. And with it, you got the mounting base. So this thing is cool because it hooks up back here. And you got the mounting base. So you have one for each.
Yep.
A charging cable to charge the cameras the first time. Mounting hardware. So you got all the screws you need to mount. Instructions and a little sticker. So
Yep.
you have a sticker for the window.
And this is the Homebase. No, this is the new Homebase. This uses Bionic Mind AI.
Ooh, it's pretty cool.
So we're going to check out to see how that works. It's supposed to keep learning what it sees on the camera to help reduce false alarms. That's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. And then the other thing is on the back, it has, you have to have an Ethernet cable to plug it into your router, but it has a connection back here for that. It actually has a couple of USB ports, so you can expand the storage because this comes with 16 gigabytes of storage, or, which I think is really cool, or you can put a hard drive inside this. So
Yep.
all sorts of room, but the bottom line is it comes with 16 to start.
So you can store all of your recordings at home instead of up to the cloud.
Yeah, you don't have to, right? And then it comes with a power adapter.
Yeah. So we're going to go and check this out, and we'll come back and do our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.